Hello, my name is Aaron Bailey, and I'm the Voiceware Product Manager here at PhoneSuite. In today's video, what we're going to take a look at is how to do an upgrade on Voiceware 4.1. So let's dive in. The first thing that you're going to want to do is log in to your system via SSH on port 22. It is very important you use port 22, not 443. Doing an upgrade on port 443 may result in the system becoming inaccessible and needing a physical reset from somewhere on site. So you want to avoid that. So you're going to log in via port 22, log into the shell, then you're going to enter just a couple of commands. First one is sudo-i. Sudo-i will make you root, and you'll know that you're root because it will say in the command prompt over here root versus support or versus PhoneSuite. Next, you're going to want to enter the command Voiceware Upgrade. And then the upgrade will take place. Now, I'm going to let this video run in real time so you can see how long an upgrade takes. This system is being upgraded from a version 4.1.3 to 4.1.5. So it's a two patch upgrade. This system is also hosted, which means that it's going to upgrade just about as fast as possible. So your upgrades will take this long or longer, depending on the speed of the internet connection that you have at site. So otherwise, I will stop talking and we'll watch the upgrade, and I'll come back in near when we're done so I can point out a couple of things. Okay, so at this time, the initial sort of downloads and review of the system has succeeded, and the different pieces of the system are now being downloaded and upgraded. So I wanted to take a couple of moments here to just mention a couple of things. Number one, this process here can at times show an error. So if you see failed 1, the process will simply stop and will not continue. And at that point, what you need to do is issue the command voiceware stop. And that's two separate words. So voiceware all lowercase, then stop all lowercase. And that will stop voiceware. Doing that will take maybe 30 seconds for it to stop everything, and then it'll return you to a command prompt. And then once you've returned to the command prompt, you can issue the command Voiceware Upgrade a second time, and it'll begin again, and it'll go through, and hopefully you'll see this process where it has succeeded 72 and failed 0. You'll also notice that at times, as it's downloading the different components of Voiceware, you may see it going from extracting to downloading to extracting back and forth. That's completely normal. So don't worry if it goes from downloading to extracting, then back to downloading. That's going to be completely acceptable. The upgrade here is nearly done. And again, in this scenario that I'm showing you, this is absolutely best case. This has a very good internet connection, so it is very quick to download everything. We have, in some cases, seen this take a lot longer. And then what will happen is it is stopping all of the processes. And then you should see it here in a moment. Go through again, removing, creating. So it's redoing the different packages and installing the updates. And you'll know that the upgrade is finished when it gets down back to the command prompt. And you'll know that because it'll say root, and then it has some numbers. There we go. Root, and then the IP address, and this is the local IP of the system. And now the upgrade is finished. However, you're not 100% done yet. You want to go ahead and issue the command reboot to finalize the upgrade. And then, as we expect, rebooting the system is going to terminate the SSH session, so that's the error that we get here. So the system will go down and go away. And then you'll want to give the system about 2 minutes, then log into the web GUI and go to the About page and verify that your upgrade has succeeded. If it does not succeed the first time, try it one more time. If it doesn't succeed after 2 attempts, go ahead and reach out to support and we'll help you out. Beyond that, that covers a Voiceware 4.1 upgrade. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you very much.